Hi guys, Rich from Out Smart. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we're at one of our projects in North Yorkshire, undisclosed location, but it is a beautiful property that is getting a complete refurbishment. Now when I say complete refurbishment, just probably out of shot slightly over there, you can see they're taking the roof off and changing that to a completely glass section. So this house was built in 2007, however it's literally, when I say they are gutting it, they are absolutely gutting it. Even the staircase is coming out. House is going to be absolutely incredible when it's done. It's sat in a beautiful garden, got loads of cool stuff going in this one. We've got a golf simulator, cinema room, full lighting control system. We're actually re-utilising the existing lighting control system for now. We've had to rearrange all the rack room because the client wanted to keep the rack where it is. Client's actually used his own electrician on this one, and those guys, to be fair to them, have been absolutely incredible. We couldn't have asked for any more from them. They've managed to wire this house, which is technically a retrofit, with minimal damage, get all the cables about, and yeah, it's looking great. So audio, security, alarm system, alarm and security being done by a third party because of the monitoring and stuff like that. We've got Wi-Fi network going in, lighting control, some cool LED details. There's actually an incredible interior designer involved on this project as well. Emma's been amazing, been working together on some renders for some rooms. I've actually come across this afternoon, not just to film a YouTube video, but we're relocating the lighting panel upstairs. Dean and Andy, I've been here the last couple of days moving it all across, and it's actually Friday, it's now 5 o'clock on a Friday, and struggling to get it done a little bit, so I thought, do you know what, I'll come sight, I'll be an absolute hero, get my Vito out, and go in and give him a hand. Lads, cut to some B-roll.